So today I got another 2 DS lights. That one, bottom screen flash, doesn't boot up. That's just going to be top screen, so we're not really going to look at that because I did that pretty recently. This one, on the other hand, nothing at all. And where's my charger? Charger. See that? Stays on for a couple seconds and goes off again. So the battery cover's bulging out a little bit. Hopefully it's not just the battery, that'll be too easy. Ooh. This is definitely looks like it's been reshelled, aftermarket case. Could be completely aftermarket internals as well, don't know yet. These screws are, and they don't want to come out. Yeah. Oh. Jeez. And battery's definitely aftermarket too. Well, first things first. There's the battery. A brand new one. Still doesn't want to charge. Just to make sure. I mean, that battery that I just pulled out, I've never charged it before. Let's see if it charges in this one. Alright, so that battery can charge in that device. So I think we've definitely got a problem with the board on this one. I'll crack it open. Oh, those rubber pieces are a bit different on the old aftermarket ones. There's stickers in the way. They tend to use Phillips head for all screws when they're the aftermarket shells. Get them all out. Ooh. Come on. Oh, I forgot one. Oops. Right. What do we got going on in here? No springs on either of the shoulder buttons. That's a bit of an issue. These screws out. I'll get out. Alright. So most ooh. I think we've got a little bit of liquid damage going on here. I don't know if you can see that there. I'm fairly certain this chip here is to do with charging and power management. We will check our fuses first. This is pretty common for these things to die. Let's start up there at the F1. I'm getting nothing. Oh, there we go. EM10 needs to be continuous at the bottom and along the top, not diagonally, so that's good. Check the F2. Sounds alright. Charger. Might just do some checks. See if where we can find any voltages. Wrong one. Well, we're getting 3 volts out to the battery. The power is making it to the battery. I think the best thing to do is have a look at this chip. Might even go under the microscope. Let's do that, shall we? So we're under the microscope now. We're just going to locate that chip. Where am I going? There it is. Alright. Probably some sort of corrosion there. We'll get it clean first. Alcohol. Brush. Brush. Looks alright. Let's quickly test these caps. They seem alright. Let's try and get a look at the edge of that chip. It looks a little bit suspicious. scrub. Where are we? I mean, it looks good. Might be worthwhile plugging it back in now and trying it, just to see, and if that doesn't work, then maybe we'll look at replacing it with one off a donor board. So it's just after cleaning that up. That's the battery that came with it. And it still turns off again. With the battery I have here, stays on. Oh, I've let go of the battery. So I need to get this back in the shell. So, dicky battery, a little bit of corrosion. Get it back in the shell and see what happens. That wasn't too difficult. But haven't gotten to the end yet, so we'll see. Digitizers back in. These aftermarket shells just not as good quality. Everything about this device is aftermarket. But if it works, it works. Let's see. Oh, no top screen. That's alright. I'll take it back out. And use the testing screen. So if it works alright with the testing screen, then we know just have to replace the top screen in that shell. And another successful repair, which is always a bonus. Okay, dicky top screen as well. I will replace that. I'll probably do it off camera because I've already got a few videos showing the replacement of the top screen, so I don't need another one just yet. And I'll be back to finish the video when it's done. There's the old screen. Put the new one in, re-shelled it. Ta-da! And just to make sure, charging, powering, booting up, top screen. Another one saved from landfill. We'll leave it at that for today, and thanks for watching.